Up 5. Disappointing user growth at Twitter, dragging down the company's shares sharply this morning. Nicole, you're watching that and following that story for us.
It was really interesting because at first the revenue seemed so great, the stock was looking higher, and then the call comes in and then they really tell you like it is. Twitter sharply lower in pre-market trading, the stock tumbling more than 13% after the company said yesterday its number of monthly average users grew at the slowest pace since the IPO in 2013. Here's a look at the bid-ask board. Closed yesterday 36.54. The bid-ask is 31.53.63. So you're looking at a loss of easily 12, 13, 14% to the downside. The CFO, Anthony Noto, addressed the issue on a conference call with the analysts.
Simply said, the product remains too difficult to use. As Jack mentioned, we need to simplify the product so everyone can get value from Twitter faster. In short, we have not communicated why people should use Twitter, nor made it easy for them to understand how to use Twitter. This is both a product issue and a marketing issue.
There is barely any growth. You have executives leaving. All this news on the lack of user growth coming as Twitter reported better than expected second quarter results. Twitter made an adjusted profit of 7 cents, revenue more than $502 million. The company also raised its full year revenue guidance. No talk of a new CEO, right? You have Jack Dorsey as the interim CEO. And just to throw it in there as we talk about social media, how about Yelp? Well, Yelp, it closed yesterday at $33.51. It is in the $27 range. So they actually had a loss. Revenue forecast cut for the company Yelp. So that, too, is going to be to the downside.
Well, journalists certainly have discovered why they can use Twitter. I'm tweeting out to our followers right now, but they're having a problem at Twitter really convincing the general population how they could use it and why they should use it. All right.